Do you wish you could be the present mom you've always wanted to be, but still need to provide an income for your family? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey friend, welcome to the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. I know you're over there Googling jobs for moms, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to try to make quick money. Becoming a virtual assistant is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name is Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Mama, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up, working with clients who value you and pay you what you're worth, and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step. Are you ready? Here we go. Do you struggle with staying focused as you're working on becoming a virtual assistant? In this episode, I'm going to be sharing 10 valuable hacks to help you stay focused and achieve your goals so you can quit your 9-to-5 and work from home with your babies for good. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Hack number 1 is to create a dedicated workspace. Establishing a dedicated workspace is going to be essential for your productivity. Designing a specific area in your home where you can work without distractions is so crucial. You want to keep your workspace organized, free from clutter, and stocked with the necessary tools and resources that you need to perform your tasks efficiently. A dedicated workspace is going to signal to your brain that it's time to focus and work. Hack number 2 is to set clear goals. You want to define your goals for your virtual assistant business and then break them down into actionable steps. This is going to give you a sense of purpose and direction, allowing you to stay focused on the tasks that truly matter. Write down your goals and make sure you refer to them regularly so you can stay motivated and on track. If you want more help on how to set your goals, make sure you check out episode 181 here on the Virtual Assistant Mama podcast. Hack number 3 is to prioritize and plan. You want to develop a daily or a weekly system that ensures you're focusing on your high priority tasks. Plan your days in advance, identify the most critical tasks that need your immediate attention, and by prioritizing and planning, you're going to have a clear roadmap for your work and be less likely to get distracted. I highly recommend utilizing a planner to help you do this prioritizing of your day and your tasks. That is the Horacio Planner, Horacio. So if you just Google that, it'll come up. It's so amazing. It's faith-based. It's got so many other things just outside of your weekly calendar. It's got Bible verses. It's got things to help you each quarter of the year. It's seriously amazing. All right, hack number 4 is to utilize time blocking. Time blocking is a really powerful technique that will help you improve your focus and manage your time effectively. You're going to have to set aside specific blocks of time for different types of tasks, such as client work, marketing, personal development, all those things. During these dedicated time blocks, you want to make sure you're eliminating distractions and commit to just working solely on the task in front of you. Time blocking will help you maintain your focus and avoid getting overwhelmed by multitasking because, spoiler alert, multitasking does not work. You're wasting so much energy. Just don't do it. So if you need more help with time blocking, episode 233 is your go-to. Hack number 5 is to implement what's called the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique is a time management method that involves working in short, focused bursts, followed by short breaks. So what you need to do is set a timer for 25 minutes and then work on a single task with complete focus during that time. After each 25 minutes, then you just take a short 5-minute break. Then every 4th Pomodoro, take a longer break of around 15 to 20 minutes. This technique will help prevent burnout, maintains your concentration, and increases your productivity. Hack number 6 is to minimize distractions. You want to identify and minimize any distractions in your work environment. turn off notifications on your phone, your computer, close unnecessary tabs on your browser, and create boundaries to limit interruptions from family members during your focused work sessions. You can also consider using website blockers or productivity apps that will help you stay on track and avoid any mindless browsing. Hack number 7 is to use productivity tools. So these productivity tools are going to streamline your work and help you stay more organized. You can use project management platforms like Trello or Asana, and they will help you track your tasks and allow you also to collaborate with clients in one space rather than checking your email and your phone and this and that. It's all in one space. Also, time tracking apps like Toggle can monitor how you are allocating your time. So I recommend exploring different productivity tools and just find the ones that speak to you that work the best for you. Hack number 8 is to take regular breaks. Breaks are really essential for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. So you want to incorporate short breaks into your work schedule. Use these breaks to stretch, move your body, engage in activities that help you recharge. Stepping away from work for just a few minutes will refresh your mind and improve your productivity when you return. Hack number 9 is to practice mindfulness and meditation. These are powerful practices that can enhance your focus and reduce your stress. So just by taking a few minutes each day to practice deep breathing or guided meditation is going to help you calm your mind, improve your ability to concentrate, and really cultivate a sense of clarity and presence in your work. All right, last hack number 10 is to foster a healthy work-life balance. You need to make sure you're scheduling time for self-care, for your hobbies, spending quality time with your family, not just always in hustle mode. Remember, a well-rested and fulfilled virtual assistant is a much more productive one. You need to make sure you strive for that balance that's going to help you sustain your focus and motivation in the long run to hit your long-term goals. So I hope these 10 hacks have helped you figure out how to stay focused and achieve your goals as you build your virtual assistant business. If you're still in the building phase and you're trying to figure out what to do, or even if you haven't even started and you don't even know what first step to take, I really highly encourage you to come and sign up for the free workshop that's happening in a little over 1 week on Thursday, September 28th at 6 p.m. In this free workshop, I'm going to be teaching the 5 P's you need to know to become a successful and profitable virtual assistant so you can replace your income, get your 9-to-5, and be home with those babies. So go register for that at arianavernier.com/free-workshop or find the link in the show notes. Remember, y'all, utilize these 10 hacks. They will help you create a productive work environment, set clear goals, implement effective time management techniques. All of these things are totally going to help you improve your focus and success. Go utilize them. Let me know which ones are working for you over in our free Facebook community. That's at facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. And as always, we will see you in the next episode. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I would love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@virtualassistantmama.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my virtual assistant toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/virtual assistant mama. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you can be the present mama you've always wanted to be.